Introducing the TATE fully automatic welding machine for round pen holders, your ultimate solution for efficient and high-quality production. Why choose TATE? 1. Fully automated workflow. From feeding roll wire mesh material to cutting, shaping, and welding, the TATE machine handles it all automatically. No manual intervention is needed, making your production process smooth and effortless. 2. Precision and consistency. With advanced technology, our machine ensures precise cutting and welding every time, delivering a flawless pen holder with consistent quality. High efficiency and speed. The TATE machine is built for speed, enabling you to meet high production demands while reducing labor costs. 4. Easy to operate. Designed with user-friendliness in mind, the TATE machine is simple to set up and use, requiring minimal training. 5. Durable and reliable. Engineered with top-quality materials, the TATE machine is built to last and requires minimal maintenance, giving you peace of mind. Join countless satisfied manufacturers who trust TATE for their production needs. Contact us today at info@oktate.com for more details or to request a demo. TATE, redefining efficiency in pen holder production.